Colorado man charged after attack on 15-year-old boy at In-N-Out Burger over splashing water. Fox Nay. WS. A 15-year-old boy was slammed to the floor of an In-N-Out Burger for accidentally splashing water on a woman, Colorado police said. Below are your comments. CEO at a private equity firm says it all. Nothing worse than private equity, destroyers of businesses and their employees. I have had this happen with a large group of teens being loud. Never thought about attacking one of them. Kid was even saying he was sorry. Kid was trying to do the right thing and gets attacked for it. I wonder how this CEO treats his employees. Guys like him always find some reason to fight people like 8 inches shorter, weighing half what he does, and no fight training. That's like trying to be tough by fighting a baby. But he would back down instantly against someone of a similar size, see it all the time. Was a CEO. Another fine example of humanity. Betting that he has a religious affiliation also. It's difficult to know who is an adult, so one should control one's anger because those charges are reader than if the boy were an adult. Good luck, tough guy. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.